In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72, and let me show you how to set a camera timer on this device. So at first, just open your camera app, and here at the top of the list you will notice a timer icon. All you need to do is to tap on it and pick to 5 or 10 seconds delay. I will go with 10 seconds, and now as you can see, you can grab it easily. You will see the countdown, so once you pick 10 seconds it will be 10 seconds delay, and then the picture will be grabbed. That's it. Then whenever you would like to turn it off, just tap on off, and as you can see now the picture can be grabbed easily right after you click. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.